Hello kids, it's Abby. Today we will learn numbers. And we will start with the number 1.
Hello!
Let's start coloring. First I'm gonna use a red color. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Then I'm gonna use a yellow color. And blue. I also use green. And sky blue. And finally I use pink. And orange. Next, let's color the number 2.
Hello, hello, hello!
First, I'm gonna use a yellow color. Then I'm gonna use a green color. And finally, I use blue. Let's learn the number 3.
Hello, everyone!
Let's start coloring. First, I'm gonna use a green color. Then I'm gonna use a pink color. And red. I also use blue. And yellow. Then I use an orange color. A purple color. Finally, I use turquoise. And now let's color the number 4.
Hello!
First, I'm gonna color the sun yellow. Then I'm gonna use a green color. And red. I use a turquoise color for the clouds. I color the background blue. And this is the number 5. Let's start coloring. First, I'm gonna use a blue color. I will use red and pink to color the hearts. I'm gonna color the background green. Next, we will learn the number 6.
Hi.
First, I'm gonna use a pink color. Then I'm gonna use a blue color. And green. I also use red. And orange. Finally, I color the background yellow. And this is the number 7.
Hello.
Let's start coloring. First, I color the background pink. Then I'm gonna use a yellow color. And green. I use a blue color. And orange. Let's learn the number 8.
Hello.
First, I use a blue color. Then I color the background green. I use a pink color. And yellow. Then I use red. A turquoise color. Finally, I use purple. Now let's color the number 9.
Hello there!
Let's start coloring. First, I'm gonna use a blue color. Then I color the leaves green. I will use red and pink to color the cherries. Finally, I'm gonna color the background yellow. And finally, we will learn the number 10.
Hello, kids!
First, I'm gonna use a green color. Then I'm gonna use a yellow color. And sky blue. I also use orange and blue. Then I use a green color. Finally, I'm gonna color the background pink. Well, kids, today we learned numbers. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this coloring video. See you later!